Hello everyone, so what I'm gonna show you in this video is how I place this line into this fancy looking yard. So let me show you step by step how I did this. So basically I had a green effect video that I downloaded from YouTube. Let me show you that, and this is the one I'm talking about. And there are so many green effect videos on YouTube that you can download. Right, so the second thing that I have is just an image. So as you saw at the beginning, I am going to place a lion right there in that corner. Okay, what I'm gonna do now is to grab these two items, put them in VideoPad software, and then grab that image and bring it all the way down to video track 1, as you see there. And then the second thing I would do is to go to video files, grab the lion green video, and then put it right on top of the image. Then I'm gonna grab that edge of the image, which is actually now a video, it's gonna be a video, and bring it all the way to the same size as the green effect video, as you see there. Okay, next I will click on video track 2 on the bottom here, and then I will select video effects on top, and then on this window I will click on the plus sign, and then I will select the green screen icon. Okay, so on this window I will click on the green box over there, and then I'll click on OK, and basically I will at the end just click on the green effect video. Now let me tell you one thing here. As you see, I already get the lion over the picture. One thing that I would still need to do now is to eliminate this green shadow around the line. To do that, I will have to increase the threshold, as you see in this window. So I'm gonna bring it all the way up to the maximum value, 99. And as you see, the green color around the lion has disappeared. And also I will change based on auto to based on color. Okay, so I would do just one more thing here, is to decrease the threshold, because I don't want the edges of the lion to be showing up. I want the lion to be more real. So as you see here, I am decreasing just a little bit the threshold, and keep an eye on the lion until it looks satisfying to me. And I can also increase fading, so that the lion edges will fade with the image. So this is what I have as of now. And the next thing I would need to do is to move the line all the way to that corner, and also the corner that I showed you at the beginning of this movie. And also by doing that, I will need to rescale the size of the line. Okay, so that's gonna be the next step. Okay, for that I will go to video effects, and then select motion and transforms, go down to scale, and then on the scale I will decrease those two values that I have here already set to 1. So half the size of the line would be 0.5, and I'll do it for both the horizontal and the vertical. Okay, so the next step would be to move the line to the left, right? So I need to change its position. Go to video effects, then motion and transforms, and then select position. Same thing for position. I just have to change those two numbers, both horizontal and vertical, and I'm just gonna play with them and see where it's gonna move. So if I decrease it, I see it's moving left. So let me set it to -10. That's where it end up. How about if I set it to -25? Okay, looks good. And for the vertical, I want to bring it towards me, so let me change that number. Let me set it to 10. Maybe number 8. If I set the vertical to 8, it's much better. Okay, so I would set my mind to number 8. Let me pull the video now and let me play it so you guys can see the result. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I hope you liked it, and I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you.